I will never forget December 2023. I was stressed, overwhelmed, and feeling depressed. As a hardworking entrepreneur and a father of 2 boys, I found myself in a devastating situation. It was Christmas, and I couldn't buy anything. I didn't have money for gifts or a special dinner. I hit rock bottom and nearly lost everything I cared about in life. My anxiety was so bad that I could barely drag myself out of bed. I was sick and tired of working 14 to 16 hours a day, not having money, and missing family gatherings. Until I found a blueprint that could show me, step by step, how to replace my income with just 2 hours of work daily. I was excited and scared at the same time because I had tried other opportunities in the past, like MLM and affiliate marketing, and none of them worked for me because I'm a very shy person. It was hard for me to make phone calls and chase people to ask them to buy from me. But this time was different. This blueprint showed me, step by step, how to start my own online business. It showed me how to use social media to attract my ideal customers. So instead of me chasing them, they would be looking for me. I was fired up. Daily payments, 2 hours of work daily, resale rights to all the products, 100% profit on all digital products you sell. No tech required. When you join, the company will give you a website. And last but not least, the investment was very low, with profits ranging from $300 to $900 daily. It was a no-brainer for me. That's why I fell in love and moved forward and joined. Just imagine what you would do if you worked 2 hours every day. And not only that, but imagine if you could make $300, $600, or $900 a day. What would that do for you and your family? How would that change your life and the lives of your loved ones? Imagine the freedom and joy this could bring to your family. How would you feel? If you want to learn more, just comment yes, and I'll be more than happy to share with you. My goal is to help 1,000 hardworking fathers and entrepreneurs like you by the end of 2024, and that is possible only with automation systems like this one.